Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Haglofs L.I.M Fuse shorts. So these are going to tick a lot of boxes when it comes to shorts. If you're shopping around for shorts, you know, you're gonna be very impressed with the shorts, but I'll talk more about that later. So there's three cool things I want to chat about. So first off, has a DWR coating. So the trouser or short itself is water resistant. I repeat, it is water resistant. It is not waterproof. There isn't a membrane within the short itself, but the DWR coating, which is fully fluorocarbon-free, I believe that's how you pronounce it, which is a big plus. But basically, it's the first defense, should we say, of water resistancy. So light rain, misty in the air, moisture in the air, it just means it's going to help stop that level of water getting through the short and through to your trousers. But if there is a heavy downpour, it will let water in. All you need to do is now and again throw it in with some, waterproofing wash or solution, and then that's just going to help maintain that DWR coating. Secondly though, if the heavens do open and you are wearing these shorts, they are quick drying, which is awesome, which works again really well with the DWR coating. So if you do get wet, just keep on trucking, keep on walking, and the shorts themselves will dry nice and quickly. And thirdly, they are bluesign approved as well, so that is great for the environment. It's all sustainable, which is a really nice touch. Anyway, that's the key features. Let's take a look at the overlook at the shorts themselves. So the real key feature that I really want to mention is the actual hip band itself. You don't need a belt system with it. There's no loops or anything, and that is due to the super elastication of the actual hip band itself. Now what that means, if you are backpacking, you're scrambling, you're climbing, you're doing quite a lot of movement, it just means that the short itself is going to sit comfortably against your hip. There's no intrusive belt buckle or anything holding you down, and it also reacts to where your body is and the position that your body's taken. Even if you have a little bit of lunch, you got a little bit more extra stretch there, should we say. So that's really great. But that means this short is perfect for scrambling, for climbing, just to going down your local trail. That isn't, it's just a low level trail. It just means you're going to be nice and comfortable. Pocket wise, you have two traditional pockets. Again, I've got large to extra large hands and they fit in there nicely, which is a really cool touch. And then you have a zippered pocket as well. Just open that up, and again, that is nice and spacious in there, and that is mesh, so breathability wise it's all there. But whatever you pop in there, because it is zippered, it will stay safe and secure. And that's pretty much it for the front. The back itself is a standard affair, really. You'll notice there's no back pockets. They try to keep it as one panel as much as you can. So really the only stitching you've got is down the middle there, and obviously along the sides and along the back. Now what that means is the back and quite a lot of the front is open panel. So if you are doing a bit of scrambling, if you are doing a bit of climbing, because it's open panel and there's not that many seams on it, it's going to reduce the stress that you're going to be putting on these shorts, which means they're going to last you a lot longer, which means the WDR coating is going to last you a lot longer, which means just generally the performance itself is going to kind of outperform, should we say. So the less stitching an item has, the better performance that you have, especially when it comes to like membranes and definitely the wear and tear on general fabrics. And again, this really doesn't have that much stitching to it, which is fantastic. But as I say, the key feature really is in that elasticated waistband there. Just having that means it's going to fit nice and comfortable. It's not going to be like it's not going to be digging into you that much, and the material itself is super soft to touch to the skin as well, so on skin comfort as well. It's basically just a win-win. So who are these shorts for? Any hiker that hikes in hot temperatures that needs a pair of shorts, go for it. If you're after something where, even though it's summertime, should we say, in the UK, sometimes the heavens have a tendency to open, or there might be a light flurry of rain, due to the DWR coating, it's going to protect you from that. But again, they're exceptionally breathable as well. If you're after a pair of shorts to climb in, to scrambling, that react to your body position, your body shape, these are really good. The elastication is more versatile than wearing a belt. You get basically an instant reaction when it comes to your movement and your body shape, which again it's fantastic, and that's especially handy if you are scrambling or climbing. So yeah, they kind of tick the boxes. I mean, again, like I always say, if you just want to wear these down to town, you can, you know, they look like a nice pair of shorts. But yeah, if you're definitely doing a lot more movement when it comes to your hiking or your backpacking, and yeah, you're not too sure of the terrain, you just want that additional waterproof protection, this is definitely a pair of shorts to consider. Anyway, if you want to find out more information on them, just head over to our website, webtogs.com, or click on the link that is pinned in the comments below. And whilst you're over on our website, you'll notice two cool things. So first off, for every order that is placed on a website, we will plant a tree. That is an amazing initiative that we are super duper excited about. That's one aspect, but then also as well, our warehouse is pretty eco-friendly at the moment. Say at the moment, it's going to be even more eco-friendly. So as of recording, our carbon emissions are down by 93.5%, which is fantastic. I think it's one of the best eco-friendly warehouses in the UK, maybe even Europe, maybe even the world. So having those two aspects is fantastic, but joining them together means something actually spectacular as well. So not only purchasing through webtogs.com will we be planting a tree, but that one tree that we will plant will actually offset the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders. So basically just purchasing something through our website, we're planting a tree, but you're also helping out the carbon footprint and the carbon emissions of 3 other orders by wiping them out completely. And the only reason why that works is because we've got our carbon emissions so low as of recording. Hopefully we're going to get that down to 100% very soon, so fingers crossed. But yeah, I just thought you might like to know that. So yeah, every purchase through webtogs.com will plant a tree, and our warehouse is so eco-friendly that one tree will wipe out the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders. And those 3 other Webtog orders will also have a tree planted for each order as well, which is fantastic. Anyway, if you want to find any more information about that initiative, again, it's all pinned in the comments below. I'm going to stop waffling on now, so thanks for watching and happy trails.